So today I am rehoming my 3 cats. It is a very difficult day, but it's the best decision for them. It's just not feasible for me to care for them when I'm not living with them, and it's a great deal of stress, not to mention the fact that this one has been stressing out one of my dad's cats to an extreme degree. So I'm taking them to Happy Cats Haven, where my mom fosters, because I know it's a good shelter. It's a no-kill shelter, and they'll get good families pretty quickly. It's the best thing for me and for them, but it is gonna be really, really sad.